Welcome to Neural Frontier, your guide to the intelligent future. This is where complex ideas become clear, and where tomorrow's technology meets today's curiosity. Everything begins here, with an artificial neuron. It's a tiny digital decision maker. It receives information, weighs its importance, and decides what to do next. Simple alone, revolutionary when connected. This is a neural network. Input receives the data. Hidden layers process patterns. Output delivers the answer. This layered structure is what we call deep learning, and it's the mind behind modern AI. How does it learn? Like we do, through trial and error. Show it thousands of examples. It guesses, makes mistakes, and adjusts. This process, but called backpropagation, fine-tunes the network, strengthening correct pathways over millions of cycles. Once trained, this digital mind powers the world around it. It helps cars drive, inspires new art, breaks language barriers, and even knows what you'll watch next. This isn't magic, it's neural networks. A simple idea, inspired by the brain, scaled into intelligence, and it's only the beginning. If you're ready to understand the technology shaping our world, be part of our community. Subscribe to Neural Frontier, like this video if it brought you value, and comment below with what you'd like us to break down next. The frontier is just getting started, and we're glad you're here.